In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert tick mark in WPS Office. Welcome, and thank you for watching. If you are creating a document such as a checklist, task list, or any file that requires clear visual indicators, adding a tick mark can make your content easier to understand and more organized. This tutorial will show you a simple and effective way to insert tick symbols using the built-in tools in WPS Office. To begin, open your document in WPS Office and place your cursor exactly where you want the tick mark to appear. This ensures the symbol is inserted in the correct position within your text. Once your cursor is ready, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. This tab contains different options for adding elements to your document. Inside the Insert tab, look for the Symbols option and click on it. When you select this option, a symbol dialog box will appear on your screen. This window allows you to choose from a wide range of characters and symbols that are not usually found on the keyboard. Click More Symbols. In the Symbol dialog box, locate the Font Selection field. In this field, type the word Wingdings exactly as it is spelled and then press Enter on your keyboard. This font contains several useful symbols, including different styles of tick marks and checkboxes. After selecting the Wingdings font, you can resize the dialog box if needed to make it easier to browse. Scroll through the available symbols until you find the tick mark you want to use. Once you see the correct tick symbol, double-click on it. The tick mark will immediately be inserted into your document at the cursor position. If you want to insert a tick inside a box for creating interactive-looking lists, you can select the checkbox style symbol from the same symbol list. This option is useful when you want to show items that can be checked or unchecked visually. After inserting it, you can click on the box to show or remove the tick as needed. Once the tick mark or checkbox is added, you can customize its appearance. Go to the Home tab to change the color of the symbol or adjust the font size so it matches the rest of your document. This helps keep your formatting consistent and visually appealing. Take a moment to review your document and make sure the tick marks are placed correctly. Using these symbols can improve clarity, especially when presenting lists, instructions, or completed tasks. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.